Hi, this is Joe from DroneScape. Recently we took a trip to Japan and our goal was to legally fly in Avata in Japan. The rules are fairly tricky, so I'll go more into that in a little bit. So Japan, looking at the map, is mostly mountainous with the population around the coast. So we flew into Tokyo and then took the Shinkansen to the bullet train to Fukuoka. It's about 5.5 hours by train and 200 miles per hour. And in Fukuoka then we took a rental car and drove to Nagasaki. The map was pulled from the DIPS, the Japanese Drone Information Platform System. The large green area is Nagasaki Airport, restricted airspace. It's about 10 to 20 times larger than the US for a comparable airport. The red areas are populated areas and no-fly zones. We drove to the bottom of Nagasaki Prefecture to ensure that we were clear of both. We got in position and we're ready to go.
Pay attention.
Just north of that peninsula is Nagasaki. Nagasaki today is a beautiful city. It's a seaport city, large seaport with about 500,000 people, very prosperous, and temperature is very Mediterranean, and it's just absolutely gorgeous. August 9, 1945. The second atomic bomb was dropped on Nagasaki. The boxcar was carrying the nuclear bomb named Fat Man. The original target was Kokura, further to the north on Kyushu Island. Bad visibility over Kokura and bad luck for Nagasaki, the flight was diverted from Kokura to Nagasaki. Over the previous 2 weeks, the U.S. had dropped over 60 million leaflets warning of the coming threat. You can almost hear the August 1945 chaos as the Japanese sighted the boxcar.
Miro! Deka! Dek shurai da! Dek da! Miro! Isoge! Nigero! Hiroshima to onaji da! Hayaku shiro! Nigero! Hayaku shiro!
Well, that was then and this is now. Drone rules in Japan are similar to the U.S. No night flights, no flights in populated areas. Today, remote ID is required there. The Japanese do not recognize the EU license or Part 107. Drones must be registered in Japan, and a Japanese drone pilot license is recommended but not required. Violating drone laws in Japan is a 50,000 yen fine, which is about $4,000. Foreigners can register their drone and can get a Japanese drone license. We obtained both. It took about 6 hours to go through the process, and the cost was less than $25. This is Kagoshima, Kaba Island. There are excellent temples and a lighthouse on the opposite side. In the 1600s, pirates lived here and attacked the trading ships going into Nagasaki. The Avata flew perfectly. We were flying about 400 feet AGL. Winds at the ground were 20 knots, so they must have been greater at 200 feet. Used 2 batteries, 15 minutes of battery, perfect flight. Love the Avata.